What's going on, you guys? I'm gonna be doing a swimsuit try-on haul for you guys today. This will be my first try-on haul on my channel. I know I've been missing for quite some time now, but I've been working on branding my hair company, Taylor Collection. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, lay_by Lisa, lay_by_ Lisa. Let me get that right. I'm gonna put it on the screen, or I'm gonna drop it down in the description box for you guys to go follow, like, share, support. So without further ado, I'm going to be doing my try-on haul today, and the items featured are from none other than Iconic Swimwear. This is a super cute 3-piece mesh set that they had. I like that the band on these. Ooh, shit. Ooh, clothes slide. I like that the color of these, and also that it's high waist band on it. It's got a thick band. This one is the 3-piece, and this is the top. This is a mesh see-through top. Not sure if y'all can see through that or not. See. And here's the bikini. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So, yeah, that's the first one. This is the second one. It's like a one piece with like the sides cut out, and I really liked it because it was neon snakeskin. I was gonna wear this on vacation to Cancun, but obviously with the virus going around, we ain't going nowhere, so I'm still doing my try-on haul. It's got a cute little zip on the back that zips up. Y'all see that? And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on too. It's got the little seat in the bottom of it. All of them do. That's number 2. All right, this is number 3. I bought this because I was gonna get like a yellow 2-piece from Walmart to go under it. This is just a cover, a swimsuit cover, but I ain't gonna try this. I might try this one on, I don't know. But it's gonna definitely have something under it. All right, getting to my fave. I love this one. This is a 3-piece. Let me show y'all what I liked about it. I like that it's see-through, and it's got like little zebra stripes. Can y'all see that? Okay. Them the pants. And, oh shoot, they just want to slide off. Okay, so these are the bottoms that go with it. And like I said, all of them have lining in them. This is the bottom, and these pants go over these bottoms. This is the top. I'm hoping these get in this, but you know, like it's see-through, so I'm gonna wear like some nipple covers under it, like trying on and wherever I'm going with it. So that was that cute little 3-piece. I also liked this one because it's light colored, like it's a cute neon. Can y'all see that? Or is the sun hitting it wrong? Yeah, it's got little mesh show geez, I cannot talk. Okay, so the sleeves are made of mesh, which is see-through, and I believe all of these are polyester swimsuits, if I'm not mistaken. Spandex, polyester. That's the top, and they just don't want to sit on me, like, for real. These are the bottoms that go with that top. I think the top part is kind of like a crop top. Can y'all see that? That sun is really not hitting it. Hold on, y'all. Okay, there we go. So it's kind of like see-through on the bottoms as well, and that's the inside of it. And it is from Iconic Swimwear. This is a large. All of my swimsuits are larges. And finally, I loved it. This one as well. This one has like a see-through middle part, like for the stomach. And the sleeves are also see-through. And it's like a neon orange. It's really pretty. Like, I can't wait to try these on. And the back zips up. So yeah, I'm about to go jump in these, and y'all let me know what y'all thinking down in the comment section below, okay? Okay, so I didn't put my nipple covers on because I got like bright colors, like neon colors, and they're just not gonna look good like showing y'all this swimsuit. So I'm just gonna keep my hands here for now while you guys can see what it looks like. You like this?
As cool as you are, you can make shit pop because you're not too small, you're not too big, so like you got the like your weight in the right spot, so you feel you make.
I wasn't really feeling like this part.
That's the best looking part.
All right, you guys, I did forget to mention the pricing of these swimsuits. The swimsuits each cost $16. The only one that cost more than $16 was a 3-piece, the little zebra, cute little mesh zebra. So I'm guessing they made like the 2-piece, the top and bottom. I'm guessing they made those $16, and then the pants $16 too. So which made it run like $32, which still wasn't bad to me personally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I can't stress that enough. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little red button at the bottom down below. Hit that little red button. The one with the little triangle in it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be dropping a lot more videos soon. But like I said, I'm still working on my hair company. I'm working with different vendors, and yeah, just don't forget to subscribe because I'm more than likely doing a coloring video this week that I'll be dropping for you guys. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow my social media. Instagram, Laid, LAID _ by, that's BY _ Lisa, LISA, okay? So, like I said, I'll see you guys in my next video.